Got time for speed scratch cooking, but also want to shake things up? You need Land O'Lakes Ultimate White Cheese Sauce, along with literally any other flavor, to surprise and delight students with a pasta salad, chicken salad, or as a sauce, hot or cold. That's right, this sauce is delicious in cold applications too. Hi, I'm Chef Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. We've got 6 simple stir-in recipes to prove how easy it is. When you're pressed for time and storage space, it's easy to expand your menu offerings or enhance tried and true favorites, hot or cold, by simply stirring together Land O'Lakes Ultimate White Cheese Sauce with 1 or 2 other ingredients. Now more than ever, operators need to be agile and creative. That's why these Ultimate White Cheese Sauce recipes work in the cafeteria, as grab and go, in the classroom, or to be consumed at home. Find more recipes and resources at landolakesfoodservice.com.